Hi everyone, I am opening Creo. So click on open and I will tell about sweep. Desktop set as working directory. Open cancel. New. Part name 1, path solid, OK. MMNS path solid, OK. So after that you want to plane hide, shaded with edges. So selecting front plane and you wanna draw one sketch. So click on sketch. For trajectory, I am drawing spline. This is the trajectory of sweep. This is the path of sweep. Okay, select sweep. After that, sketch. What profile you wanna sweep? So draw the profile. I am drawing round. You can see round swept like this. So I will show planes and show you normal to trajectory and normal to projection and constant normal projection. So select normal to projection. So click on select plane. So you can see the normal to projection was worked like normal to selected plane. Means normal is the 90 degrees like perpendicular and constant normal direction is also same. So click on opposite plane. So you can see this also working as 90 degrees perpendicular. Normal to trajectory, normal to the projection, constant normal direction. So you can see what is the processing of these three. After that you wanna go options. So cap ends will work as surface in surface only. Cap ends work in surface only. You can see cap ends work. And I will show you the open surface because it's not closed. For closing only you wanna use cap ends. So this is cap ends. So cap ends was worked. Click on OK. So edit definition. I will show you thickness also. This is thickness. We can use 10 mm or extra thickness, what thickness we want. So I will delete and I will sketch. I will delete also sketch and front plane display extrude. I will show you margins, how to use margins. So I am drawing one rectangle, approximate dimensions. Click on OK and extrude. I am selecting symmetry and clicking OK. So select plane. In plane, I will draw one trajectory. So I will select spline. No. So I will select the arc. So I delete and select the arc. So after selecting, clicking OK. I will select sweep and sketch. You wanna draw profile there. So select view and draw circle. This is a circle, approximate dimension. You can see there is not merged two ends. So you can use margin. So this is margin, how it is worked. I will cancel it and I will delete extrude. After that select front plane, draw one sketch. I will draw one sketch. This is the path 1 and that is part 2. Path 2. So you can use part 1 and part 2 as trajectory. I will show how to use two paths as in sweep. To select, so click on sweep. After clicking, you want to select one. After that, control and select second. So this is bottom one is path 1 and top one selection is path 2. So select one sketch. After that, draw one sketch. First sketch we want to draw here. So I am selecting center and tangent. Okay, you can see how two paths are worked in one sweep. One center line and one outer line. You can use like that. After that, it will be selected by selecting two paths. So you can use chain 1 as origin or origin as chain 1. By clicking the arrows, you can change the both. After that, sketch 1. I will draw two tangent circles. I am taking center and two tangents. I will select coincidence and select point and arc circle. Okay, you can see the two ends are applicable for one circle as the tangented sweep. So you can see by changing of origin, you can use by clicking of arrows. So this is the process of sweep. So if you have any doubt, please comment below. After that, you want to like, share and subscribe. After subscribing, you will get one bell icon. Click on it. So by clicking on it, you can get my notifications and support me. Bye bye.